Welcome to Car Reviews. Today, we're stepping away from traditional vehicles and diving into something bigger, stronger, and more powerful. This is the 2025 Caterpillar D10, a machine built to redefine heavy-duty construction. Whether you're into high-performance machinery or just curious about the engineering behind these giants, this video is for you. At first glance, the D10 looks like pure dominance on tracks. This beast weighs over 154,000 pounds, and its turbocharged diesel engine delivers an astonishing 700 to 900 horsepower. This isn't just a machine, it's a statement of raw power and engineering brilliance. Designed to handle the toughest terrains, from rocky mountains to deep quarries, the D10 can move massive amounts of material with ease. One of the key highlights of the 2025 model is its advanced efficiency system. With improved fuel consumption and an upgraded cooling mechanism, the D10 ensures maximum productivity while reducing emissions. The new adaptive load sensing technology intelligently adjusts power distribution, making it smarter and more efficient than ever before. The tracks are built for extreme durability. With a reinforced undercarriage and self-cleaning track design, the D10 maintains stability even in the roughest conditions. This ensures longer operational hours with minimal downtime. Now, let's talk about the interior. The 2025 D10 isn't just about brute strength, it's about comfort too. The new cabin features an air suspension seat, touchscreen controls, and an advanced AI-assisted navigation system. Operators get real-time feedback on terrain, fuel efficiency, and workload distribution, making operation smoother and more precise. Compared to its predecessors, the 2025 model boasts improved sound insulation, reducing operator fatigue during long shifts. Plus, the updated control system allows for remote operation, meaning it can be controlled from a safe distance in hazardous environments. So, who is this machine for? If you're in mining, construction, or large-scale earthmoving, the D10 is an investment that pays off. Its durability, efficiency, and cutting-edge technology make it a leader in its class. That's a wrap for today's review. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2025 Caterpillar D10, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Car Reviews, and let us know in the comments what machine you want to see next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.